Hello children, in today's class we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 18, Environmental Pollution. You all might have heard about pollution, isn't it? Then tell me, what is pollution? It is the process of making land, water, air, noise or other parts of the environment dirty and not safe or suitable to use. Clear? So making it dirty so that we are not able to use it properly. Okay, or if we use, it will harm our health. So that is called a pollution. Then in this chapter we are going to discuss about 4 kinds of pollutions. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. What are the 4 kinds of pollution that we are going to learn tonight? Water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. These are the 4 kinds of pollution that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay children, then tell me, what are called the pollutant? Those substances or gases that causes pollution are called pollutant. Those substances or gases that cause pollution are called pollutant. Examples are the factory waste, food waste, all these are the substances that make it dirty, the environment. Okay, those are called pollutant. Understood? What are pollutants, children? Those substances or gases that cause pollution are called pollutant. First we are going to see about the water pollution. Then tell me, how the water gets polluted, children? Water pollution occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into the water bodies without adequate treatment to remove harmful components. Polluted water, if you drink, we will get so many diseases. One of the main diseases is diarrhea. So it happens because of the polluted water. Now, we can see what are the main causes of water pollution. Now, sewage from houses. Then, food processing waste, plant processing waste, animal waste, from the industries, the chemical waste, heavy metals, then contaminated silt. All this causes water pollution. What are the things, children? Sewage from houses, food processing waste, plant processing waste, animal waste, from the industries, the chemical waste, heavy metals and contaminated silt. And also insecticides and herbicides, they also cause water pollutions. How can we control water pollution, children? We can control water pollution by treatment of sewage and drainage water before discharging into drains and rivers. Okay, so we have to remove the harmful waste from there and then we can discharge into the water bodies. Second, treatment of industrial waste before discharging into the water bodies. The same way, industrial waste also before discharging into the water bodies, we have to remove the harmful components from there. Then, stopping throwing the waste, garbages, etc. into the rivers. So, how can we control, children? Treatment of sewages and other drainage water before discharging into the water bodies. The second one, treatment of chemical wastage from the factories before discharging into the water bodies. Then stop throwing all the waste articles or waste items into the water bodies. So this way we can control water pollutions. Now we are going to see about soil pollution. We throw many things like plastic, polypack, cans, bottles, etc. Simply throw it here and there. So these get buried in the soil and they make it unfit for use. So all the, especially the plastic items, okay, it will remain in the soil for a long time. So if so many plastic items are there, that land we are not able to use. Now chemical fertilizers also a component that pollute the soil. So waste from industries contains harmful chemicals that also pollute the soil, and these chemicals make soil unfit for use. Clear, children? So how the soil get polluted? Soil get polluted when we throw unnecessary the plastic, polycans, okay, and cans and bottles etc. into the soil, and it get buried into the soil, and that soil is we are not able to use it. Another one is chemical fertilizers that they use for the crops. Okay, they get such a lot of crops, but the soil get polluted. Then chemicals from the factories. Okay, what happened? These chemicals makes the soil unfit for use. So in today's class, we are concluding with these two, that is water pollution and soil pollution. Water pollution already you have seen what are the causes of water pollution and how can we control water pollution. Okay children, thank you.